Door design is not just about entry and exit, it is the first impression of your home. A stylish and well designed door adds to the beauty, safety, and value to your space. And the importance of door design it lies in the three key factors: security, style, and strength. A good door design ensures safety from intruders and enhance the look of your house and also improve ventilation and privacy. Now let's look at some popular types of door designs. The first one is the panel doors. It's a traditional and elegant made. These are made from wood or MDF and perfect for main and bedroom doors. And another one is the flush doors. These are simple, smooth surface and it's budget friendly and best for interior rooms. And glass doors. It's modern and stylish and ideal for balconies or bathrooms. It's off- it's offering to the openness and light. And French doors. These are double glass panel doors that gives to the luxury and classic touch. And PVC doors. These are lightweight and waterproof and affordable. It's best for bathrooms and kitchen areas. Metal doors. These are durable and secure. It's often to the use main entrances and industrial areas. The solid wood is premium look and long lasting, but need to the regular maintenance. And steel, it's extremely strong and secure, ideal for the main doors like security doors. Aluminium is a rust free and lightweight and modern is in design. UPVC it's best for budget interiors and durable and water resistant. Glass with metal frames, it's perfect for contemporary designs. It's offering to the elegance with the strength. So when you are choose your door design, remember it is not just a piece of wood or metal. It is gateway to touch your homes and personality. Choose the design that blends security, style, and durability and perfectly. And like and share, subscribe for more home design ideas.